Welcome to this QuickBooks 2019 tutorial for beginners. My name is Matt Hultquist with the QuickBooks University. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your finance charges on invoices. So, this is, of course, when you send an invoice to a customer, and if you have certain terms, so if they're 15 days or 30 days or whatever it is, you can have QuickBooks automatically calculate finance charges. Okay, so this makes it really simple to automate it, and so you don't have to go in and calculate finance charges every time you have a customer that pays you late. Okay, so what we're going to do is go up to the Edit drop-down menu, and we're going to go to Preferences. All right, and you'll see here one of the options is finance charge. So we're going to select that and go to Company Preferences. All right, so what you can do here is select your annual interest rate. All right, a lot of times companies will choose 1.5% per month, which works out to be 18%. Okay, so I'm going to change this to 18%. Minimum finance charge is going to be $5. You can put this, at whatever you want. Of course, each state, I'm not an attorney, but each state has different laws on how much you can charge. But let's say it's a minimum charge of $5. A grace period. This is if, it's due in 30 days, and if they pay within a certain number of days that you specify after that 30 days, it's not going to calculate. So in this case, we have 0. All right. Finance charge account. Okay, so when they do pay finance charges, this is where it's going to classify on your profit and loss. And other income is a good choice. You can create an account called finance charge income if you want, but other income is fine. All right, so down here, assess finance charges on overdue finance charges. Okay, that's if there are finance charges, and do you want to assess additional finance charges on top of that? All right, and so we're going to have this box checked, and then calculate charges from the due date. All right, so this is to calculate based on, the due date of the invoice was a certain date, and we're going to calculate finance charges as of that date. All right. Now, you can also put on here, mark finance charge invoices to be printed. Okay, what this means is that when it assesses finance charges, do you want it to automatically say print this invoice, and you can send or to be printed. That way you can print, and you can even email, go in and send a finance charge invoice, or you can leave this unchecked. Totally up to you. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click, once you have this set up, you're going to click OK. And from there, when you create an invoice, if they pay late, it's going to automatically calculate those finance charges. Now, kind of a good practice of what we do is in your invoice setup, you want to put a statement at the bottom of your invoices that says, anything paid after 30 days or whatever the terms are, an interest rate of a finance charge of 18% per year will be calculated on your past due balance. Something along those lines, just to alert the customer that, hey, if you pay late, you're going to have finance charges on this invoice, and they will be due and payable. All right. For more QuickBooks videos and for training and personal support, head over to QuickBooks University at qbuniversity.org.